Now let's consider the two savings plans below and compare the balances in each plan after 8 years. You will go ahead and determine who deposited more money in their savings plan and also find out which of the two investment strategies is better. So let's start by finding the balance in Yolanda's savings plan after 8 years. If Yolanda deposit $50 per month in an account with an APR of 6%, what will be Yolanda's balance after the 8 years? So we're going to go ahead and use the equal FV function. With the APR given, we're going to convert the APR to a decimal, which is 0.06. You divide that by 12 because we are making a monthly payment. And the number of deposit is going to be 12 times 8. And you have your amount of deposit being $50. If you type this exactly into Excel, you come up with 6141.43 cents. And this here is the balance in Yolanda's savings plan after 8 years. All right, next you want to also find a balance in Zach's savings plan after 8 years. So equal FV 0.06, but this is Zach deposit is a bit different from how Yolanda's made her deposit. Yolanda deposited $50 per month, whereas Zach deposited $600 at the end of each year. Okay, so we are doing this once a year. So instead of dividing by 12, it is just going to be over 1. Then the number of deposit is just going to be 1 times 8. If you deposit every year for 8 years, then the number of deposit is going to be 1 times 8. Then you have your negative 600. And this, when typed into Excel, will come out as 5938.48 cents. And this is the balance in Zach's savings plan after 8 years. All right, so next we're going to determine who deposited more money in their savings plan. To do that, we're going to start by calculating Yolanda's total deposit. So if Yolanda deposit $50 every month for 8 years, his total deposit or her total deposit is going to be $4,800. We do the same thing for Zach. We find the total deposit for Zach. If Zach deposits $600 at the end of each year, which is once every year, for 8 years, this is also going to be $4,800. Okay, so they both deposited the same amount of money in their savings plan. And which of the two investment strategies is better? Recall that Yolanda's accumulated savings plan was 6141.43 cents and Zach's was 5938.48 cents. So therefore, Yolanda's investment strategy was better because she had a larger accumulated savings plan balance after 8 years. All right, so this is the explanation to question 6. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for being here. Bye.